Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Hope you're having a Fox-tastic day. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel today. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the button below and subscribe. That way you can get all the good goodies that I put out on a regular basis here on the channel. I recently joined a 10-day YouTube challenge. And it occurred to me that a lot of those people that are in the challenge with me don't know who I am or anything about me. And a lot of you who already subscribed to my channel don't know a whole bunch about me. So this was a great opportunity to introduce myself to you, those who are following me. And I thank you for checking us out today. So as I mentioned, I'm Dan G. Fox. And I live in Houston, Texas, where I've lived since 1982. I left my hometown in 82, which was San Antonio. And I said, I'll be back in a year. I came up here for a job. I'll be back in a year. And here I am, how many years later, 40-something years later. Houston grew on me. Okay, so this is home now for me. And I initially was, in my life, working with at-risk youth, kids who had gotten in trouble with the law, kids who were on the streets, kids who were on the gang, and I'd work with them to try to get them back into a situation where they were not breaking the law or getting in trouble or losing their life or causing someone else to lose their life. So that's what most of my life was done. But those type of jobs don't pay a lot, so I always had some type of a side hustle, and I've always been an entrepreneur. Anyway, even from a kid, I was an entrepreneur. So I got involved with marketing online in 1996 as a side hustle, and eventually in 2015 I began to see some value to it and got really serious through affiliate marketing. And in 2017 I was able to go full-time as an affiliate marketer, and I love it because you get to set your own schedule, you get to set your own times from that standpoint. So affiliate marketing's been good to me. Network marketing's been good to me because there's nothing like being your own boss, right? I mean, there's nothing like that at all. So I've always been the type of person that enjoys helping people. So that's what I really like about network marketing, because I can help other people to rise up, particularly with the business that I'm involved with now. People are making money that never made money before. What else you want to know about me? I'm very involved with my church. I am I'm a father of 3 wonderful kids, two boys and a girl. I mean, they're all grown now, obviously, and I have 8 grandchildren. So very rewarding. God has blessed me quite a bit with plenty of family and plenty of loved ones. So that's pretty much me in a nutshell. I'm a pretty simple person. I don't like a lot of elaborate things. I do travel. I like to travel. I've not traveled outside of this continent. I've been to Mexico, I've been to Canada, but I've traveled a lot within the United States. So thanks for just taking the time to learn more about me. I'm here to help. And so if you're looking to get involved with network marketing or affiliate marketing, whatever, I bring a lot of experience, and I'm definitely one that supports my team and help those out. So yeah, so if you need help, reach out to me. It'll make a difference if you're on my team or not on my team. Reach out. I'll be glad to help you. So thank you for just taking this little short time to learn more about who I am. And if you really like the video, go ahead and click the like button below. And if you really got something out of this, go ahead and comment. I would appreciate that. Both the likes and the comments help me out, so I appreciate that. And if you really liked what I shared with you today about who I am, go ahead and share it with somebody else. They can get to know me as well. So thank you again, and you guys have a Fox-tastic day.